Okay, so this is Mr. Kweba, die Roding.
Why?
This racist guy, there's a, that is Ukweba. Racist. I don't think we don't ever want to speak to you people anymore.
No.
You don't have a heart. You hate white people, you I suppose. And there's the racist. There's a racist. Why don't you put the electricity on of those people park up at camp?
Please.
I have gasolento. I'm up. Let's go here. I don't want to speak to these things. I don't want to speak to you. You, Kweba. I don't want to speak to you.
Man, please calm
No,
down.
let them fuck. I want to go. I want to go. No. This thing's got an attitude.
No, my
He's
man,
got an attitude, man. I don't want
beg
to.
you.
Sir, open up here.
No, I beg
Open
you.
up here. Open this door here. I want to go. I don't want to even go here. I don't want to come here. You've got no respect, you.
What is
Jay Kweba. Jay, respect, Jay. You must come to my location, you.
Where's the
I'm a boozer. I'm gonna put this now on Facebook. The whole world will see this thing.
My man,
The whole world will see you when they will see you. Take me to court. Take me to court. This is the Department of Public Works that is robbing people in Patkamp. They don't want to pay BCM the electricity. Now Patkamp's people don't have electricity because of this one. There's it. That one. We are here. This is where we are. Eastern Cape Public Works. We are here by Public Works, and we're here with this thing here that's so rude. Yeah. How long?
This one.
There's people that one guy doesn't have legs. He doesn't have legs, Petrus. They must be without electricity because of their incompetence. Because of their incompetence. Yeah. Call the police.
That's the problem.
It's him, man.
If we can
It's him. He started the thing. When I came in, he was rude at the beginning.